My name is Jake Chavira. I'm the water/maintenance supervisor for the City of La Palma. In December of 2021, we had a hit hydrant in the middle of our system off of Walker in Houston. This hydrant was damaged by a traffic accident. Car was stuck on top of the hydrant. I must have made over 40, 50 calls to that, in those next 3 days, Christmas morning flushing. It affected the hospital's water quality, where that was our priority for myself to flush out the entire area. As soon as that happened, we installed a hydrant guard check valve. About 3 to 4 months later, the same hydrant was hit in the same part of town. This time, with the hydrant check valve installed, we experienced no water calls, no issues in pressure. My operator was on call at the time, got the call and just waited for police and fire and SoCal Edison to clear the area. Once it was clear and safe to go in, my operator reset the hydrant guard and the hydrant was back in service, and my operator was done with his issue. Unfortunately, the area was without power for more than 24 hours, but water wasn't an issue that day, nor was the water quality. We want to continue to install these around on arterial streets. I would say the biggest takeaway from the experience is not knowing about hydrant guard earlier, not knowing about the easy installation. I guess if I would have known them or met them before, we wouldn't have had that problem, and I wouldn't have been, flushing hydrants on Christmas Day. Would I recommend Hydrant Guard? Absolutely. It's done wonders for the City of La Palma. It's made our job easier. It's saved time, money, and that's very important to the City of La Palma. Due to our small size, 1 water supervisor, 3 operators, to be able to install a broken hydrant, a broken check within 30 minutes is priceless. I would recommend it to any water district or any city.